Hey friends, so today I'm going to be sharing with you all what came in my Taste of Tea monthly box. So I got 4 different teas in this size bag to share with you all. I'm actually going to show you the unboxing and then brew the Serenity herbal tea with you all. This is a rooibos, peppermint, and spearmint tea with rosehip pieces, ginger, rose, sunflower, and a few other things in it, and it is super refreshing and delicious, and it has no caffeine, so if you enjoy your tea before bed, this is kind of the perfect thing. And especially if you have stomach issues or things like that, peppermint is really great for that. So it's really calming. This particular one is really calming, I feel like, and you can have it right before bed. So I'm going to show you how I brew it or steep it, and then show you the other things that came in the box as well. So stay tuned. Hey you all, so today I got a Taste of Tea monthly tea box in the mail. So I want to show you all what came in it. Of course I'm holding the camera with one hand and opening this with the other, so bear with me. Okay, so this is Taste of Tea. It says, "Welcome to Taste of Tea," and tells you all about their loose leaf tea. And it says inside you will find 4 loose leaf teas with their very own tasting notes and steeping instructions, as well as a stainless steel tea ball infuser. That's awesome. I'm excited. Okay. And then I guess these are the teas that came in here. Orchard berry, Provence, jasmine with flowers, and Serenity. Ooh, Serenity sounds really good. Peppermint, rose petals, ginger. That sounds good. And Provence, floral but fruity, perfumey lavender notes. Ooh, that sounds good. Okay. So here is the infuser, which I have been wanting one of these. Right now when I use loose leaf tea, I have these little pouches, like little tea bags that you can put your own tea in, but a reusable ball like this is a lot better, so I'm excited to get that. And then here's what the tea looks like. They're pouches, and it tells you exactly how to steep it and for how long and what's in it. This one says low caffeine, so that's really important to know because some people can't or don't want to have caffeine. Caffeine low. Caffeine none, which is good. And caffeine none. So both of these have no caffeine in them. So, oh yeah, and then if you wanted to see what the tea looks like, you can see that there. And I mean, this is how you can really tell if it's good or not, I feel like. Like if you can really see the ingredients in there, you know it's good. Okay, well, I am going to give these a shot, and you can stay tuned for the rest. So here are all the teas laid out that I got in my box. Each month in this box you get 4 different types of loose leaf tea blended with hand-picked flavorful ingredients. That's what it says right there on the card. And it says that they've created relationships with farmers and vendors from all over the world. So I feel like this is pretty cool. Like you can get a lot of different types of teas from all over straight to your door. So that's pretty cool. And I'm actually going to show you all, I'm going to make this one and show you all how I make it. And we're going to see what I think about it. So I'm going to do about, it says to do 1 heaping teaspoon per 9 to 7 ounces. I'm going to do 2 teaspoons for the amount of water that I'm doing. That seriously looks amazing. So this is rooibos, peppermint, and spearmint, rosehip pieces, ginger, rose, sunflowers, calendula, I don't know how to say that, and osmanthus petals. It smells amazing. Holy cow. Okay. It smells very refreshing. I think that's the mint. And I'm making a mess. Don't make a mess. Like, look how beautiful it is. I feel like you really know you're getting like something really good quality when you can just see everything that's actually in it. Although I'm making a huge mess. Okay. I've never used one of these before, so yeah. So I'm actually gonna make it in this little pot. So actually, what you're supposed to do here is put this around, and you can do it on a cup. I could do it here, but I'm not sure I'll have enough water at the bottom because I'm not making a whole pot, but you're supposed to hook it like this so that it doesn't fall down inside. But since I'm doing such a small amount of water, I think I'm just gonna let it sit in the bottom and hook it like maybe just here if I can. If not, it'll just go in the bottom and that'll be fine. But I think it'll stay there. So I've boiled just a little bit. I've boiled just the amount of water that I need. And I just realized I dumped some of the loose leaf tea in there. That's not in the, so I'll have to strain that out when that was dumb. So I'm just gonna let that steep for about 7 minutes probably, because I like it a little bit stronger. And so you can see how much I used, and that was 2 tablespoons. You probably only need 1 tablespoon normally for like 1 cup. But I wanted to use this little, one of my little teacups. So I'm going to brew it in the teapot, all fancy like. All right, friends, it has been about 7 minutes, I don't know. I didn't time it, but it's been close. So here is what it looks like in the cute little cup. And I did accidentally drop a few little tea leaves into the bottom, not thinking about it. So there's a few little floaties in there. I could strain them out if I really was worried about it, but there's like barely any in there. And the little balls in the bottom. So I'm gonna try this. And I'm not gonna put any sugar in it. It's really good. And it has a really nice minty flavor to it, but also you can taste the, like the floral notes in it too. But in the spearmint, that's what I taste. It's really good though. So you can see it, and you can see a little bit of the tea leaves in the bottom because I, silly me, dumped the few that were on this little card in there. It is really good though, you guys. Like, that is really refreshing. And this one has no caffeine, so I can have this right before bed if I want to. I am sure you can also steep this and put it in the fridge and drink it cold. You could steep it and then mix it with ginger ale and have it cold and have like a little bit of a fizzy flavoring to it. There's so many different things you can do with loose leaf tea, and seriously, I'm so excited about this little box. So if you've never tried it out, this kind of a box might be good for you because you can, you know, get something new right in your box and not have to really pick anything. They'll just send it to you and you can try it out for yourself. So make sure you check out their Kickstarter. This is Taste of Tea, and I will put a link down below to that, and you can hop over there and check it out. So thank you so much for watching and for steeping some tea with me.